If you haven't seen it, we've covered the top 5 reasons that many buyers prefer new homes. Today we're going to take a quick look at reasons 6 through 10. Number 6, low maintenance. Yes, it's possible to go into that old 1950s ranch house, pull out all of those energy inefficient single pane windows, and add new insulation. Possible, yes. Costly, you bet. Number 7, community amenities. Many new homes today are built in lavish master plan communities with community centers, pools, health clubs, miles of walking trails, and dog parks. So think about community amenities. Many buyers do. Number 8, advanced technology and design. Probably haven't gotten stranded on the road lately in one of your newer cars. Think how much more reliable they are with their computer-generated design and advanced features than a 20-year-old car. Homes, no different. Building science makes your home better and more reliable. Number 9, safety. Think about that simple infrared beam on a garage door opener that interrupts the motion of the door if your child or a trike comes too close. Carbon monoxide sensors, an electrical outlet in your bathroom. These are all hallmarks of today's new and well-built homes. But number 10, you know it when you see it, hard to put a name on it. That new home feel, the smell of fresh paint and fresh carpet, and that freedom of knowing that home is designed your way.